Hi, my name is Mike Anning. I work out here at Johnson RV, premium pre-owned vehicles. We also have some new vehicles on the lot too. This one here today is the 2019 Winnebago 31-foot 2-slide. Has your Ford V10 engine in it. Very easy to get inside here to the doorways. Very comfortable. Has a 4,000 watt Onan generator with it. Slide topper awnings on top of the slide for debris. Has plenty of storage. There's a cable and city water fill on the outside. Dual tires in the back for stabilization. 55-gallon fuel tank. Huge storage. Rear access ladder for the roof with a one-piece fiberglass molded roof. Also has a 5,000 pulling ratio and a 7-way plug for the tow vehicle. Power awning. Comes out the side here. LP furnace and hot water tank. More storage along the side here with an optional spot for you guys to put a TV out if you wanted to, and your little 110. Screen door. Keep the bugs out when you're out there camping. Hey, this is Mike again with Johnson RV on the inside of the 31-foot Winnebago. So we've got our interior dash here and backup camera for backing up a boat or watching people come up behind you or backing into a parking spot. Tilt wheel, cruise control, delay wipers, air conditioning. On top up here you've got a movable TV, so it will move around here for you a little bit too. You can put a couple kids up there if you'd like. We've got a couch on this side over here with a couple extra seat buckles on it. Kitchen table with a huge window looking outside. In the kitchen area you've got a real long kitchen countertop, microwave, stove. Great storage in this vehicle. Huge storage cabinets. Double sink. Bunch of drawers to pull out. You've got a nice big refrigerator, another little pantry on the other side of it. Power slide outs on this vehicle, so you have a rear slide and a front slide. Bathrooms, kind of Jack and Jill. You've got one side on this for your shower and your bathroom's on this side over here. Queen bed is on this side here. Great storage back here too for closet, clothing space. You've got power on both sides of the bed for your cell devices or sleep apnea machines. This is Mike again from Johnson RV. Come down and see us down in Fife, Washington. Thank you very much.